Yes, now in this video also we are going to learn few properties. Properties are continued. Look at the property. It is very easy to identify because lower limit and upper limit are opposite of each other. Minus a to e f of x dx. And if you say this one, sometimes answer will be straight away 0. But when? If it is an odd function. And if it is an even function, then its value will be 2 times of 0 to a f of x. So in this discussion we are having to learn this. Now this you must try to understand what is the meaning of even function and odd function. Whenever you replace in the function f of minus x, x replaced by minus x and the expression remains same, that is called as even. But if you change x to minus x and you are getting negative of fx, then the function is said to be odd function. So we'll be talking about this time. So now look here, lower limit, upper limit, opposite and the same value, positive, negative. That is means this is the question based on this property. Now what is the expression sin cube x? Now one can answer this question in two ways. Sin cube x, you know the integration of sin cube x. Two methods you are knowing. Okay, so you can apply that method and get. But I am trying to solve this question by the third way. Replacing x by minus x. Look, x is replaced by minus x, sin cube minus x. So it will be nothing but minus of sin cube x and this is nothing. So it is nothing but odd function. If fx is odd, straight away write 0. No need to solve the question. But this procedure of showing the given function is odd is required in the, it's mandatory. Now another question. Again it is minus 3 to 3. 3x square plus 5x. You can solve this question by routine method, by integration and all. But if you wish to apply the property, these are the two things. Now I am taking the function. Here, x is replaced by minus x. Look here. But the function remains same. So how is this function? Is nothing but even function. For even function, what should be the method? 2 times. 2 times, look here. See, I am just showing one more time. 2 times, lower limit is 0, upper limit is 8. So it will be 2 times 0 to 3. 3x square plus 5x. Now it is, why it is easy? Because lower limit no need to calculate. Its integration is x cube. Here it is 5x, 3 and 0. So you will be getting upper limit over here minus lower limit. This is nothing but 0. But you have to replace in this bracket 3 and simplify and see that whether the answer is coming as 42. Next question. Again it is lower limit, upper limit, opposite. So the function will be of the same type. But the function is given sin square x. If you replace x equal to minus x, it remains sin square x. So again this function is even. If the function is even, then you can write it will be 2 times 0 to pi by 2 sin square x. Now you know the integration of sin square x. Sin square x can be integrated 1 minus cos 2x by 2. Then 1 by 2 you can take out outside. This 2 will get cancelled. Here it is 1 minus 1 integration is x sin 2x by 2 and you can simplify. Upon simplifying you will get pi by 2. You will get the answer as pi by 2. Pi by 2 is the answer. Okay. Now 0 to 2 pi cos raised to power 5. How do I answer this question? It is nothing but degree is higher. Degree is higher. So it can be written as cos raised to power 4 into cos x. Now this can be written as 1 minus sin square x the whole square and this is cos x. So that you can replace sin x is equal to t. Putting sin x is equal to t, cos x dx will be equal to t. But substitution means change of limit. But if you replace x equal to 0, t also 0. And if you replace x equal to 2 pi, then also it will be. So lower limit and upper limit will be 0. This is nothing but 1 minus t square the whole square and dt. If you notice somewhere here like this, then its answer will be always 0. If always 0. But if you want to see, you can try like this. It will be 1 integration. It will be t cube by 3. So no, it will be not like this. First you have to square it. And you will be getting the expression in terms of the t, and then if you replace 0 lower limit and upper limit, you will get the answer as 0. So even and odd, if the lower and upper limit will be of this form, always think about whether the given function is even or odd and then try to answer the question. Moving ahead, there are few more properties which is to be understood only. There is nothing like that also. If a to b fx dx is there, then always if you wish to interchange this limit, you can write minus sign, b can come down and a can come up f of x dx. It is called as change of limit. If you are changing upper limit and lower limit, it will be negative of each other. How I can justify this with the example? Work out 0 to 2 x square minus 3x plus 4. Simplify this, you will get the answer as 14 by 3. Suppose I write the same question 2 to 0 x square minus 3x plus 4 dx and simplify and work out on the same line which is known to you, you will get minus. So they are negative of each other. They are negative of each other. This is nothing but verification by the problem, hence the property. Now one more question. A to b fx dx will be same as that of a to b ft dt. Change of variable. You can change the variables at this time instant. Limits will be remain same. Its meaning is, suppose I ask you to integrate this, or suppose I ask you to integrate this and simplify. Here this is a question in terms of x, this is a question in terms of t, you will get the answer. What is in here? It is tan inverse x. Upper limit 1, lower limit 0. Here it will be what? Tan inverse t. Upper limit 1 and 0. So lower limit anyhow it will be 0. Your answer will be here also pi by 4. Here also it will be pi by 4. And you will get the second property. You will get the second property. So you can change the entire function to some other variable. What the earlier property says? Earlier property says that if you interchange lower and upper limit, then negative sign will come. See, this is one more important remark. A to b fx dx, a plus b f a plus b minus x f of dx. This is on the line of what we have learned already in the previous discussion. Now let us look at this question. It is very difficult to integrate this function, but lower and upper limits are there, then this question is most easiest question. What is to be worked out? Just consider the given function as I. Now replace here, x is replaced by a plus b minus x. So replace x by a plus b. Lower limit is 3 plus na1 minus x. So every x to be replaced by this expression, every x. Now what is this expression? Is nothing but 14 minus x. So 0, 3 to this limit remains same. 14 will be 14 minus. This is nothing but 14 minus x I am replacing here. This x is also 14 minus x. This 14 is as it is and x will be 14 minus x. Simplify further. Root x over here, correct, root of 14 minus x here. This is your second expression. Then add 1 and 2. Add 1 and 2. If you look at the 1 and 2, denominator is same. See. So denominator will be same. Denominator will be same. Take the LCM. You will get the numerator and denominator will get cancelled. And now it is more simpler question. It will be 1 will come. Integration of 1 will be x. Simplify. Put upper limit, lower limit and get the solution. Get the solution. On the same line one more question will do, and then this concept will get over. This is one more question. What is to be replaced now? This plus this minus x, correct. X to be replaced by 5 minus x. Now this is the given question. Now 2 to 3 will be as it is. This x, root of 5 minus x. X will be replaced. This x, 5 minus x plus this is root 5. X value, again 5 minus x. Now simplify. Numerator as it is. Here there is a scope to simplify. You will be getting x. This is your second. Now add 1 and 2. Again you will notice that in the 1, whatever the denominator is, the same denominator is here. So the question will be of this type. Take LCM. Numerator and denominator will get cancelled. And now this is nothing but the value of 2i. Simplify. Simplify. Just I am waiting. The answer of the question will be. Okay. So this type of question you are expecting on the when the properties of integrals are used. When the properties of integrals